Sorry. We're going to Arkansas. True Crime Daily. Title says, Arkansas man serving life in prison who escaped on jet skis is caught in West Virginia. Published August 31st, 2023. And we are going to Lewisburg, West Virginia. U.S. Marshals apprehended a convicted felon, his wife, and his mom after they allegedly helped him escape from prison last year by fleeing on jet skis. The U.S. Marshals announced Tuesday, August 29th, that several law enforcement agencies arrested 39-year-old Samuel Hartman, his wife, 39-year-old Misty Hartman, his mother, 61-year-old Linda White, and White's boyfriend, 52-year-old Rodney Trent, at a Quality Inn in Lewisburg. Hartman escaped from the East Arkansas Regional Unit Prison August 12, 2022, while working in a field. White and Misty Hartman allegedly drove to the field in a pickup truck and fired shots at other people while Hartman ran into the car. Department of Corrections officers chased after the truck until they reached a point near the Mississippi River, which is when the Hartmans and White escaped onto two pre-staged jet skis. Officials in Mississippi found the abandoned jet skis on a riverbank. The three of them remained on the run for over a year until their capture this week. According to the U.S. Marshals, Hartman was sentenced to life in prison in 2013 for raping his 14-year-old stepdaughter. Misty Hartman and White face charges relating to his escape, while Trent is accused of harboring a sex offender and helping the three fugitives while they hid from law enforcement. Arkansas State Police said in a statement, Hartman was sent back to Arkansas Department of Corrections custody, while Misty Hartman and White were booked into the Woodruff County Jail after arriving back in Arkansas. Trent remains in custody in West Virginia. State Police said they are conducting a comprehensive investigation. So let me get this straight. So he was in jail because he raped his 14-year-old stepdaughter. And his mother, her boyfriend, and his wife planned this whole thing to get a convicted child rapist out of jail. That is insane. It's like, but what? I'm confused. So you made all this, you did this whole elaborate plan to help a convicted rapist escape from prison. People are out of their damn mind. I hope they all get life in prison. Because just to recap, when Misty, which is the wife, and Linda, which is his mom, went to the prison, they shot. They were shots fired, so they were shooting into the prison while Hartman ran into the car, which is the rapist. They drove and escaped on the Mississippi River on two jet skis. It's not much of a comprehensive investigation if you found the jet skis. Guys, book them. Send them to jail. That's it. There's people that need it. I mean, society doesn't need this. No, are you serious? It's like, dude, look at them. Wow. Okay, this is the U.S. Marshals website. Okay. I mean, it's basically the same information. Really big. Can't say you didn't read the title there. U.S. Marshals Service. What do you mean? What does this mean? Samuel Harmon. Oh! Lovely. Oh, this is the Arkansas State Police YouTube channel. Everyone has a YouTube channel now. It's insane. Let's see this great video. I'm so happy right now because we're gonna get to see the rapist being booked. I hope they show the family too. Oh yes! Look at her. Oh, wonderful. That's mom. Hope you like jail, mom. Oh, that's wifey. Wife of the year. Look at that. Mind you, it was his 14-year-old stepdaughter. So, as far as we know, this could well be the little girl's mom. Because they haven't said the contrary. So, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But we could assume it is, that she is, just because we want to. And just hate on her. So, family, we'll do that. Mother of the year. Right there, look at her. Shame. Shame. Not so tough now. Not so tough now. I don't know. Thanks. Boo. What a bitch. Wow, they were all booked together. We are family. That would have been wonderful. Not much. Not much, but still wonderful to see. Why not? No other video. Now, I have a question. How did they get the jet skis and leave them abandoned like that? Did they buy those jet skis? I kind of feel like there's more to this than meets the eye, because, I mean, think about it. Who leaves jet skis like that? How much does a jet ski cost? So, a new jet ski typically costs around $6,000 on the low end of the spectrum, but higher end jet skis can cost close to $21,000. Okay, let's see. Let's see the used section. Give them the benefit of the doubt. So, let's see. Okay, so this is from the JD Power website. I don't know. Let's see. I'm not going to enter my zip code. I'm not going to do that. Why? autos, motorcycles. It's making it a lot harder than I thought. So, it says, how much should you pay for a used jet ski? Let's see, wholesale. Real world prices. Come on, man, just give me something. Give me just like something to something. Okay. Jet ski trailer. Okay, so I'm not gonna open Alibaba, but just seeing it here, it says used jet ski can range from $4,500 to $5,000. They bought two of them, or they rented two, or they had two. The whole point is that both jet skis were just left at the Mississippi River once they escaped. So that's like $12,000. That's, we'll be nice. We'll say $10,000 down the drain like that. How did they get this money? Like, what? I'm extremely confused, but wow. I mean, I guess they say family is everything, but wow, people took it to another level. It's insane. I hope they all get life in prison.